Hi, my name's Josh Ward with Alpha Hosting. Today we're going to look at editing text using the span tag in a WordPress blog post. I've got my Fun with Fonts blog post here. I'm editing this in Gutenberg. I'm going to pick this paragraph here, the one that says Alpha Hosting is freaking awesome. If I click that, I'm going to get this 3-button menu here for more options, and I'm going to click Edit as HTML. So the only word in this paragraph that I want to change is the word freaking. I'm going to start by opening up a span tag, and then I'm going to use style equals, and specifically I want to change the font style, and I want to change it to italics. Once I've completed my span tag, I want to close it out on the other side of freaking because it's the only word I want to change. And then I'm going to hit the preview button. And what do you know? My changes worked. Freaking is now in italics. So let's see what else we can do with that word. The next thing I want to do is I want to change the how bold that word is. I want to change the weight of that word. So I'm going to keep my span tag here, but I'm going to change font style, and I'm actually going to make this font weight. And instead of italic, I'm going to make it 700. And we're going to see what 700 does. So I'm going to hit the preview button, and now freaking is bolder. So I've changed the weight successfully. Instead of changing the weight, you may want to change the color. And in that case, we're going to go back into the tag here, and we're going to type color. And then instead of 700, we're going to type green. Now I could use red or blue or yellow here, but let's see what green does. And it does. It changes the word freaking to green. Now you may say, Josh, I don't want to use green. I want to use my green, not just any green. And that's fine too. You can come in here and use your hex code. The one that we use at Alpha Hosting is #45DBA1. And we hit the preview button. And now we have that sweet, freaking awesome alpha green in our word. The last change we're going to make is the size of the word. So maybe you want that word not just to be all capitals, but you also want it to be bigger than the rest of the text on the page. So again, we're in our span tag here. We're going to say style equals font dash size. And we're going to change it to 36 pixels. So 36px. Again, everything else changes the same or stays the same. We'll hit the preview button. And now freaking is freaking huge on this page. That's it for today's video. Please make sure to check out the blog post related to this video in the description below. And stay tuned for more videos and updates from Alpha Hosting.